One of the first areas where businesses need assistance is marketing. A marketing company can help with your logo and brand. They can create a website, business pages on social media, and integrate everything for brand consistency. They can design business cards, brochures, and other print collateral that can be handed out, emailed, or mailed. A full-service marketing agency like the one I partner with can help in all of these areas, so they are not recommending one solution over the other. They come up with a complete marketing strategy customized for your business and your budget, so you get the best return on your investment. Another area of the business is operations. This includes things like business applications, phones, accounting, and credit card processing. If you have employees, you have to consider payroll, benefits, and human resources. If you have an office, there are one-time needs like furniture and signs, but there are recurring monthly charges for things like internet, security systems, and electricity. If you are an executive overseeing all of these areas, instead of spending time researching each area, contacting multiple providers, and comparing services and plans, consider using Select.Connect to help streamline the process. We can connect you with select providers who have already been vetted, and we can work as a liaison on your behalf. If you're a business owner or the person trying to figure out a lot for your company, or even if you find one video in here that is something that you want more information about, feel free to reach out. I'm going to include my contact information in the description box below, and a lot of the solutions I work with, I can help all over the United States. So just let me know what you need help with. Reach out directly, drop a comment, but just let me know how I can help. And thanks for watching.